All right, are you guys excited? Yes, okay.
Tatum, full out.
We're the only team singing live. We need a sound check. We don't have an unlimited amount of time. We have 10 minutes and we have a lot to do.
Full out, look at your center. Sing big, dance big, do what you gotta do.
Come on, girls. Shake your tail feathers. Come on, let me hear you shake your tail feathers. Do it right. Shake it, baby. Do it right. Do it right.
At sound check, the energy was just a little bit low.
Something was weird. Let me see you shake your tail feathers.
I'm gonna go up there because I want to hear what's, if they're not singing or what's going on.
You ain't gonna do too. Oh yeah, shake it out, baby. Shake it out, baby. Oh, you ain't gonna
What is happening? They do not have their heads in the game right now.
You ain't gotta do.
Okay, stop. Kaya, I just know you can sing better.
Kaya, you're the first member of the group. Don't ever forget it. Brooklyn, I don't know if it's in your head what happened yesterday, but it's a new day. It's a new day. I feel like you're tiptoeing around a few things.
JoJo and I gave these girls an awesome song, an awesome dance, a fabulous set. We got to do a sound check. I'm nervous because maybe we expected too much.
Kinley and Tiny T sound good.
She's carrying this group right now.
Kinley is.
Yes.
If we could, I would take everyone off and only let her sing, but we can't do that.
She said Kinley's carrying this whole group, and if she got to cut Brooklyn and Kaya, Kinley was singing the whole thing.